Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things money making. Today, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide and effective way to earn money online by promoting Temu links on Pinterest. And the best part is, it can be done from any location. This is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to add an extra income stream in 2025. So grab your notepad and let's dive into the video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, leave a comment. Let's dive in. First, let me break it down for you guys. Temu is a fast-growing online marketplace that allows you to earn commissions through affiliate links. Then Pinterest, on the other hand, is a visual search engine with millions of users looking for ideas, products, and inspiration. Combining these two platforms is a recipe for making money online in 2025. The goal is to share your Temu affiliate links on Pinterest in a way that drives traffic and earns you commissions. You're not going to do any hard work. If you're ready, let's start with step 1. The first step is to sign up for the Temu affiliate program. It's very easy and simple to do. So you're going to go to Temu website and look for the affiliate or partner program. Fill out the application with your details, and once you're approved, you will receive your unique affiliate links.
To get started with the Temu affiliate program, you're going to come to the bottom page of Temu website. You can also get the app from Google Play Store or App Store. You can also click the link in my description box. It will take you directly to the Temu homepage where you can get started with the affiliate program.
Make sure to read their guidelines to understand their commission structure and best practices for promoting links. If you use the link in my description box to sign up, you will earn a £3 welcome bonus, up to £190 free credit, and up to 20% commission. This is exclusive benefit for new affiliates that will sign up today using my link. Next, you need a Pinterest business account, not a personal account. If you don't already have one, head over to pinterest.com, sign up and switch to a business account. This will give you access to analytics and the ability to promote pins in the future. Optimize your profile by adding a professional bio, a clear profile picture, and links to your website if you have one, or blog. Step 3. Research trending topics and keywords. To ensure your pins get noticed, you have to research trending topics and keywords. Use Pinterest's search bar to find what people are searching for and jot down ideas related to Temu products you will promote. Look for things like affordable fashion, home decor, or tech gadgets, depending on what product you're focusing on. Step 4. Create eye-catching pins. So now it's time to create pins. Use free tools like Canva to design visually appealing pins. Make sure to include high-quality images, bold text, and a call to action like shop now or click to save. Don't forget to include your affiliate link in the pin description and add relevant hashtags for better discoverability.
So once you're accepted into the Temu affiliate program, you are now free and ready to start promoting products to start making your own money. So you're going to head over to the Temu website or the app and then search for any particular product you have in mind. For instance, for this tutorial, we're going to go with iPhone 16 Pro Max case. And when it pops up like this, make sure to start saving the pictures and the video. So you're free to reuse all these photos and videos that you see here to promote this product on Pinterest. So what you're going to do is to right click and either save the image or copy the image and paste it somewhere. So you can open a Google Doc where you're going to save all the images you need for the product, especially if you're creating them in bulk. So to get this video, you click on it and then click on these 3 dots. This will allow you to save the image or download it into your system. So after getting all the images and videos you need for your Pinterest pin, you're going to click here, this share button, to copy the link for your affiliate program so that you can start earning once anyone clicks on the link. So make sure to copy this link for this particular product. You can copy and save it somewhere, and then before you proceed to Pinterest. So once you come over to Pinterest, you can see that I haven't created any pins because it's a new account. So you're going to click on create pins. This is where the whole thing starts. But before we go there, you're going to go to Canva. So you're going to head over to canva.com, click on create design, click on custom site, and enter 1080 by 1920. This will give you a Pinterest template. Change the picture background color to black. You're then going to pull in the video you downloaded from Temu. So you're going to drag and drop the video you downloaded from Temu. You're also going to add some text. Change the text color to white and make it bold. You can copy the exact title from Temu and description. Make sure to add a call to action button like buy now or click here. So once your design is ready, you can now click on the share button and download it into your computer, and then head back to Pinterest to start uploading it. So once your image or your video is ready, you're going to head back to Pinterest and click on create pin, and then choose or drag and drop the file that you have created on Canva. For the title, so you're going to go back to Temu and copy the title from that particular one you're trying to promote, and then you're going to add a link, which is the one that you copied before. You can also get the link again from here. Click on the share button and copy the link. So you must attach this link if you want to make money from the sales. So you're going to add the link here. So you're going to choose a board, which is your targeted audience. So you're going to choose phone case. We're going to choose gadget instead. So don't forget to add tags, but it's only you that will see the tags anyway, but make sure you add tags to your pin. So you can add as many tags as you want. So after following through these guidelines that I've given you, you're now ready to publish your first pin on Pinterest. So you're going to click on publish, and you have created your first pin on Pinterest. So this is your first pin. You also have the option to promote. If you have the funds, you can promote your pin and get traffic.
Remember, consistency is key on Pinterest. You can't post today without posting the next day. Use tools like Tailwind or Pinterest's native scheduler to post pins regularly. Also, aim for 5 to 10 pins per day, spread across different boards. By scheduling your pins, you will save time and ensure steady flow of traffic to your affiliate links. And make sure to keep an eye on your Pinterest analytics to see which pins are performing well. Also, adjust your strategy by creating more content around top performing topics or designs. Also, check your Temu affiliate dashboard to track your earnings and optimize your efforts for maximum revenue. And that's it, guys. By following these simple steps that I've given you guys today, you will be on your way to making money online by promoting just Temu links on Pinterest. You can also promote other links or other affiliate links on Pinterest. But for this particular video, we're focusing on Temu links. It takes some effort and consistency, but the results can be well worth it. I will leave the links to the websites in the description box below so you can access it whenever you want. If you found this video helpful, why not give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and let me know in the comment section if you're planning to try this strategy. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.